want to talk to you about the Builderall affiliate program and some of the biggest mistakes that I've made in my journey in this Builderall affiliate program. Be sure to stick around and hit the subscribe button down below, hit the little bell up in the corner, and get notified every time that we put out a new video. Now, I pretty much lead a laptop life, and you'll never find me too far from the beaches, so let's take a look real quick. All right, there we go. Definitely something that I can enjoy in my life. But I can promise you, I've made plenty of mistakes along the way in the Builderall affiliate program. And I'm here today to talk about, as a high-level marketer, these biggest mistakes that I've made. Mistake number one, trying to allure people with money. Now, it's all great, and at the end of the day, it really looks good that I can make money with it, but the biggest question that we really need to be asking ourselves is that person who's making money with it able to teach other people to make money with the Builderall affiliate program? And I've seen it time and time again, these people that allure people with money, right? They're living in a fantasy, and that fantasy is usually, oh, if he can do it and he's making a load of money with it, I can do it too. Well, unless you have a strategy, unless you're able to really hone in on the audience that you're looking for, chances are you're not going to be able to do it. That's not a replicatable process. That only happens for a few people. Now, the big thing with these people who allure people with the money, they really can't teach the program. They may be able to teach the people, get 1 or 2 people on, but at the end of the day, they're not going to be able to teach somebody to be able to get the hundreds of people on like they're getting. Because the biggest thing that they have is testimonial. And testimonial goes a long way in the industry, in any online marketing. Now, with that being said, you have to build your own testimonials. Now, that might be with a case study, maybe getting a YouTube video to #1, maybe showing how you're actually converting something with Facebook traffic. Maybe you're able to build an affinity group on Facebook. These are some of the things that I look at when I start to follow somebody online. I don't just look at how much money they make. They've done it and that's great. But at the end of the day, I gotta be sure that they're able to teach how I can make money. Biggest mistake number 2 that I've made, thinking I'm gonna get rich overnight. Now, the 5 minutes you may see me on video doesn't facilitate the hours upon hours of work that I put into my online business. When I boil this down, what this means is there's no get rich quick overnight process. It takes time. You need to build affinity. You need to get to #1 in places. And when we all boil this down, I'd really love to find out what I could do to get rich quick overnight, but I can promise you, I haven't. I've slept in plenty of couches. I've gone nights without sleeping because I was trying to build my business, build it to the point to where it would be able to create a suitable income, an income to be able to pay my bills. And let's talk about paying your bills. The biggest thing that I found out with the Builderall affiliate program is that it actually paid the bills for my other business. And when I looked at it, I said to myself, this is amazing because I run an online business that costs me money every month. But then at the end of the day, there's no out-of-pocket expense for me because what I've done with the Builderall affiliate program is put something onto a passive income that enabled me to pay for my bigger business. Now, over the course of a year, I've made over $42,000 with the Builderall affiliate program. What did that mean? That meant that my business cost me $40-some thousand a year just to be online. I know it sounds crazy because you see all these people going, oh, look at all the money I make, but you never see how much they're spending. So be careful of those mistakes in this program. Big mistake number 3 that I made in the Builderall affiliate program, not helping the people that I put on to Builderall, right? You think somebody like me would do something like that. But I didn't look at Builderall as a means or a source of income. I looked at Builderall as something that was paying my bills for my online business. So I really didn't care because I was making money someplace else. But then it dawned on me one day, this is something that I promoted one time. That's right, one time. And then it made me over $40,000 inside of a year. I couldn't believe it. I said to myself, why am I ignoring something that's making me money, and it's on a system that I don't even have to deal with? And that's when I said to myself, I must be pretty foolish, right? As a high-level online marketer, I'm looking at something that's generating me a passive income, and at the end of the day, I'm ignoring it and ignoring the people who are actually paying me. So be careful of these mistakes when you get onto the Builderall affiliate program, right? Be careful of, number one, who you follow. That's right. Even though they may look great, at the end of the day, be careful. Be sure that they're going to teach you exact strategies on how to build your business online. Because a lot of people are using Builderall as a means or a source of income. So when you get onto the Builderall affiliate program, just be sure to avoid those mistakes that I just talked about. Everybody wants to make money online, but at the end of the day, not everybody will make money online. The biggest thing that we're able to do is we're able to teach strategy. That's right, we're teaching YouTube strategy, Facebook strategy, SEO strategy, copywriting strategy. We're teaching you how to target an audience. Now, what I've seen everybody do in the Builderall affiliate program so far is they're really focusing in on the Builderall affiliates. So what they're doing is they're trying to get people within the group, and that's not the way to do it. You need to bring in people from the outside, people who want to make money online, home-based businesses, people who are in MLMs. Get them to see the value in the Builderall affiliate program and get outside of the box. So other than that, if you really like what I had to say today, just go ahead, subscribe, ring the bell, wherever it's at, ring the bell, so you'll get more great content. Go ahead, leave me a comment down below. And with that being said, check out our testimonials and you'll see some of our $1 million winners. Other than that, peace out. I'm Joe Barnes, and we'll see you on the next video.